Bam! You did it. If you are on this page, it means you have just signed up for what I believe is the best value in software for running your entire online business. It's the software I use to run everything about my business, my membership site, my help, and my ticketing center. This is where I create my landing pages, my order pages, thank you pages, webinar sign-up forms, drip email campaigns, everything. You name it, this is what I use. So I am confident that you will enjoy it too. It's a system that's going to grow with you as you grow too. And I'm telling you, I wish that Kartra had been around when I first got involved in online marketing. It literally would have shaved years off of my learning curve, because in the beginning you spend a lot of time learning technical things, figuring out how to do, just how to host a landing page, how to build a landing page, how to download your products, etc. So good job. You made a fantastic decision. So in the box below, right next to my little dog photo there, there's a box below. You're going to enter your information. You're going to enter your name, your email address that you signed up with at Kartra, and the invoice number that Kartra gave you. Now, when you click submit, two things are going to happen. First, you're going to get an email from me, and it's going to have a link to the download page where you're going to get all of the download bonuses or all the bonuses that I promised. The zip file is like 36 meg, okay? So you should download it to a device that has enough room, and preferably the place where you're going to read the material. I would suggest if you have a desktop computer or laptop, I suggest that you download it there. Secondly, right after you click the submit button, you're going to be directed to another page. It's a one-time offer, and that is a one-time offer for my Learn with Pat coaching program. It's normally $67 a month, and it's actually about to go up to $97 a month. However, in this one-time offer, because you're seeing this, you are a quick action taker, somebody that's motivated and wants to get going, I want to help as many people as I can. It is my mission to help this year 100 new entrepreneurs learn what I wish I had learned when I was 18 years old, okay? Whether you're 18 or a little older or a lot older, I want to help people to get to where they want to be this year. So I don't want price to be a barrier for you getting the coaching that you need and the live coaching. This quick action taker one-time offer is just $19.99 per month. You're never going to see it at this low price again. So I encourage you to get it now. Check the link. Check what's being offered in there. It's an incredible value. So I hope you'll take me up on my offer. If you're stuck or you are just starting out, there is no more economical way to get unstuck and learn exactly what you need to be doing. So looking forward to seeing you at our next coaching session. Click the link, get the downloads, and we will see you on the other side.